Gule, you're telling me what this word does, or what this artifact, the instrument does. Okay? Just like something. Now I'm gonna ask Mateo to complete this word for me. Ebuga means to walk. How will you say walker? An instrument to use to walk with. Not the person that walks. Pronounce this Ebuga.
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 So how will you say a walker? Something to aid you walking.
Ebugule.
Ebugule.
Ebugagule.
Ebugule. Yeah. Ebugule. Okay? You just add gule to it, and then you're telling me, what about the name of the broom? That's gonna be pati. Abuidaha means to sweep. Abuidaha is to sweep. So how will you call a sweeper or a broom?
I'm just gonna try to have no idea what it is.
I know.
I'm gonna try. I'll just say
Correct.
Hey.
You see? You just said broom in Garifuna. Okay, you have the verb and then you add gule to it and you tell him what it does. Okay? Yeah. So how will you say an instrument to teach with?
Arufudaha gule.
Arufudaha gule. Okay? Alright.
But you are Arufudahati.
That's an adjective, right?
That would be a
To
teacher.
convert it into
Arufudahati is a noun.
A noun.
Arufudagule is also a
A
noun.
noun, yeah.
It's a name of what you use.
Okay.
yeah, what it's used for. Now, if you want to say Arufudahati, that's an adjective. So to convert this into someone who does that, Ahruha, who's doing it?
That's the
How will you call it,
teacher.
Brother Gabriel? No, I'll give you a better example. This is teacher. Arufu, da, ha. You just add T, right? T-I. Arufu da ha is to teach. So someone who teaches is Arufu da ha ti.
So a painter would be the same.
That's a male teacher, right?
Yeah.
Correct. We're using male as example, as usual.
So that would be used for.
Yeah. To make it feminine, you just change this to a U.
Two.
Yeah. Female teacher, change this to a U. And then Arufu da ha tu. Okay. Brother Laurel. So Ahruha is to grade. Someone who's doing the action in Garifuna, how will you call it?
Ahurahati.
Ahruhati. Ahruhati. Wow. Yeah. Now what about Mateo? Someone who sweeps. Abuidahati. Correct. Abuidahati. Okay.
If it's a face or a woman.
Abuidahati is a male.
Male.
And then female?
Ahurahati.
Abuidahatu. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now, la sali le or la sali to?
Salito.
La sali le.
Okay. I guess on that one.
That's this one, right? La Salle.
Masculine.
Yeah.
Barana le or barana to?
Barana.
Barana le.
Le. Ooh.
Masculine. Ooh, I didn't know
Okay.
that. That's why.
Yeah. This is masculine words. And these are female.
How
Feminine.
can
I look at
Yeah.
the honey. Dabula or damula?
Dabula le. Oh, I'm sorry.
Or dabula. Huh?
This is wrong spelling. I was testing you. Ron is the only one paying attention here.
Dabula.
Okay, dabulale means this table. Munato means this house. But house has a female gender, feminine gender in Garifuna.
How can we figure out which ones is feminine or masculine?
You basically have to get acquainted with the word, with the language itself, memorize it. I don't know a rule that will define the gender of the words.
Because I'm thinking like, is it like more carry?
The only way we have a rule is when it refers to a person. Then I know for sure.
Right, yeah.
Or an animal you could tell.
If it's a male or female, right?
Yeah.
Animals. But as far as objects, it's difficult.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know of any rules, to describe them as such.
It's not like Spanish where you do have the rules. I can't find any.
Right. Even Spanish have exceptions
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
La mesa.
Like el mar, la mar, both of them are correct, the sea
El
in Spanish.
La
El mar, la mar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But basically, the rule in Spanish is if it's female, it ends with a
Ending in
A.
Yeah.
It's normally female.
female.
But there are
If it ends with
exceptions
a O,
too.
it's male.
Yeah. We don't know those rules in Garifuna. So as of now, we basically have to memorize the objects, and during the use of them, you get
You'll
familiar
get
and
acquainted.
how to apply it.
Yeah.
I know there's some that have, there's some that account for some of the differences, and I'm going to look that up and bring it in next week.
Okay.
But it doesn't cover everything. Like Spanish doesn't cover everything, but it does cover most of it.
Yeah, it does. So they call those exceptions
Yeah,
where they don't fit,
whereas,
but most of them do cover under the rules.
yeah, whereas Garifuna, I don't think there's any solid rules.
General
like that.
rules is
Yeah.
hard to follow in Garifuna as far as the gender application. Okay, so how will you ask where is the restroom? Garifuna.
Hagoun, Kumu.
Okay, where is Hagoun?
Hagoun, Kumu.
Hagoun, Kumu.
Hagoun.
Okay, now this word without the accent mark spelled the same way. What does it mean?
Hagoun.
They're big.
They're shower or they're bathing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Hagoun.
Okay? So it's imperative that you know the application of the sound on every word.
Yeah.
If I omit this, then you have to pronounce Hagoun.
Hago.
We've been through the accentuation rules, right? Where if it's a two-syllable word like this one, if it's two-syllable words, the default accent or stress
For a syllable.
falls on the first syllable. Now, if it doesn't fall, then there will have to be, we have to apply the
Hagoun.
accent mark or Peggy. We call this Peggy, right? In Garifuna. Okay? So, Hagoun Kumu. Okay, what about halal? Where's the chair? How will you ask for Tagil?
Hagei.
You say Hagei. Hagei. Hello.
Hello.
Hagei halal. Nikki, how will you ask? Where's the what do you call this?
Chalk.
Chalk.
Sebi?
Correct. Where's the chalk? How will you?
Oh, Hagei Sebi.
Hagei sebi. Yeah. Then Francis, how do you say this living room?
This living room,
Uh-huh.
la salle le.
La salle le. This living room, la salle le. How will you say, Michelle, the sea?
Is it Brahma?
Sorry?
Is Brahma a sea?
Yeah,
Okay,
banana.
Brahma.
That's it. Banana.
Okay.
Yeah. What about Dr. Gill? How will you say this sea?
This sea. This sea. Don't not Luago. Banana. This sea. Banana Lake. Banana Lake.
Barana le.
This sea.
This sea.
Banana.
Alright? Good. So you know, Dablale, Munato, this house, right?
Yeah.
And Kumuto, this restroom. Halale, Sebile, Lasalile, Baranale. Now, where is Alfonso? Again, for people online, visit Ruben Reyes Online to access lesson number 3. RubenReyesOnline.com. Let me post it here in case we have a problem with audio.
Which we do.
Yeah, make sure you let me know it's R-U-E-B-E-N. Because some people like go online, R-U-E-B-E-N. Ruben. If we R-U-E, it's R-U-E-B-E-N. Because I'm trying to go online this morning, it couldn't go. And I was telling him, how do you spell Ruben? R-U-E.
Okay? Ruben Reyes Online, lesson number 3 for today. This is the lesson we're discussing right now. So, Alfonso is definitely a masculine
Hagei.
gender, personal name. So, Lucia Gil, how do you say, where is Alfonso?
Hagei Alfonso.
Okay. Nikki, how will you say,
Alphonse.
where is Alfonsa?
Hagoun, Alphonsa.
Correct. Hagei. Right? Hagei for masculine, Alfonso, and Hagoun for Alfonsa, feminine. Okay? Good. Michelle, where is Ingrid?
Hagoun, Ingrid.
Okay. Gustavo, where is Alfred?
Hagoun Alfred?
No.
Hagei?
Hagei.
Hagei Alfred?
Hagei Alfred. Okay. Good. We have a couple of exercises here. Where you have to fill out these spaces. Let's do that right now. Where it says Odessa, we have Alfonso, Hagei Alfonso, Hagoun Andrea. What's the next one, Francis?
I'm going on this side.
Okay, Dr. Gill, George,
Hagei George.
Nikki, Martha,
Hagoun, Martha.
Michelle, Anna,
Hagoun, Anna.
Gustavo, Frank.
Hagei Frank?
Good. That's done.
That was quick.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay,
Good honest.
it's out of here. I have text
Yeah.
from, wow, Buiti Rabonveyu. Oh no. Wow.
Yeah, read it. Read it.
Buiti Rambuaya, Niribe Trish, St. Hill.
Oh, Trish.
Oh, the writer.
He's a writer. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello,
I
yeah.
am from the island of St. Vincent, also known as Yurume. How do you, what do you click?
Scroll down with the little ball.
Okay. I found out about my Garifuna roots about 10 to 12 years ago, and recently wrote a novel about the Vicentian girl who was Garifuna. I listened to this class online and hope to visit the center in LA
Yeah.
That's cool.
Waiting.
one of these days. I can't really. Can you please scroll it
Sure.
further?
Right there.
High tech
In
phone.
LA.
Yeah, I'm used to the iPhone, not this thing. You see, we just go with the finger like this. I'm just kidding.
No, it's okay.
Okay, you were speaking today about cassava. I am not sure I understand what was said, but I want to offer that there are two types of cassava. In Uruguay, we have a sweet cassava and bitter cassava.
Ah,
Yes. We have the same thing in Honduras, Guatemala, Belize, and Nicaragua.
Yes.
Speaking of cassava.
Yereba.
scroll down with the
We
ball.
steam the sweet cassava and make things like dumplings and cake from it.
Wow.
No, you gotta
Okay.
You see, that's what they invented it.
Yeah. We make things like dumplings, cassava cake from it. Then there is bitter cassava which has poisonous juice.
Yeah.
The juice must be removed. We make cassava bread and bam bam from these, as well as farine. Farine?
Farina.
Farina. Ah.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, I recently visited Uruguay and I went to the village of Fancy, where I visited several Garifuna people in Fancy. The family is still harvesting the bitter cassava as they did in the old days. Seremen.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bravo. Bravo, Mr. Hill. And Hill.
Serene.
Thank you for watching and listening online. We really appreciate your input, your feedback, because that's going to make us know that you're out there watching.
And you should add that the way you make cassava is the way it's still done in the Orinoco by the indigenous populations there.
Oh,
Very, very
yes,
similar.
you're right.
Yeah.
The same way, the way the Garifuna people make the cassava today in the Central American region is exactly the same way the Indian makes it in the Orinoco River in South America.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, exactly the same way. It has never changed. And as far as the yuca,
That's a
we
good
do have those two types, the sweet and the bitter.
Also, we got a text from Dale Young from Chicago. She loved the presentation on the
She sent it on text too?
She
Yes.
sent a text. Yeah.
That is hard.
Thank you, Del. Go ahead, Del.
We didn't touch the drink from the cassava trash.
You?
Peel. We talked
Oh,
about what the cassava can do, but we didn't talk about, the drink.
yeah, actually, this is,
Hugh.
that's another thing. We make a lot of things out of the cassava.
Yeah.
Once it's processed to make the reba,
Right.
and by the way, the word ereba is not Arawak. Even though it might be listed in the Taino, some of these words are listed as Taino words or as Arawak word like baba. But baba, even though it's included in the Taino word, it's an African word.
Right.
Now,
Yeah.
how did it make it to the Taino dictionary? That we have to find out.
Okay, hold on. Let me put you.
I'm sure it
let me
didn't
put
go
you
to
here
Africa
with,
from here.
Arif the Happy. You have a student who is commenting on the name of the cassava. I'll put you on the speakerphone. Go ahead.
Yes, go ahead, brother.
I'm dropping.
Yes. Okay, this is Brother Ben Flores. His contribution is that the word for sweet cassava is
Brother
gumarana. Yeah,
Hi, Uncle Ben.
gumarana. Yeah, this is sweet cassava.
I did hear that word.
What's in that song?
Can you see this, Ben?
Yes. Very, very
Okay.
good.
Wow. Okay. Sereme, now what about the bitter cassava? Okay. And gain?
I heard that.
Kain.
Gain? Gain?
Ghanaian.
Korean.
No, gain. Gain.
What is it?
Okay.
With the tilde over the S.
Okay.
Gain is cassava.
Gine.
That's the
They
bitter cassava.
have different type of guys.
Sereme, man.
They have different type of
All
guys.
right, ayo.
They have Gumanana, they have Sutara.
Sutara. Ooh.
Sutara.
Yeah, Sutara.
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 And different types. And the Garinago people, when they see the plant, they know what type is it.
Uh-huh.
Some of them is Guchu. What is Guchu?
Gucci.
Put your phone number on that. They want your phone number on the screen. Right on top of Ruin Reyes, right there. They can see it real good. Yeah.
Blow it up.
You have some money. Oh,
Okay, Jack.
Okay.
Okay.
What is Guchu is the color
Sutara.
purple.
purple, right?
See right there?
There is.
Color purple.
Ah.
Guchu.
Gucci.
That's what I want to go
Okay.
see.
So we're gonna proceed with the lesson again. Please visit Ruben Reyes online. Lesson number 3. Extract that lesson number 3 so you can follow our class today. But we can always go into variation of subjects. It's not a problem. Nothing is written on stone. Okay. We were talking about love and likes. I love to dance.
Aí.
Even though that doesn't apply to me. Let's use it. Okay.
Naciente.
He siente
Naciente.
Kalila Bay Sutara Lidan
is a type of cassava.
Oh.
Yeah. And I think it's an edible cassava. I think it's one of the sweet cassava. I'm not sure. But Sutara is a type of cassava. They have different
Sutara.
names. Yeah.
Okay. Sereme.
The type of cassava. Even though they might all look alike, but they have different
Taste.
The bitter cassava
Right.
has a chemical called cyanide.
Yeah, that's the bitter cassava, right?
Yeah, it's a bitter cassava.
That's the
And
killer
what is
one.
very interesting with the cassava is that it's a pure. It never rots. You can take it for but when the Garifunas used to go fight in the wars, they did the cassava, and they will go forever and never rots at all. So it has a
Right.
natural preservative.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, in the Orinoco River, where they make a stew from the juice from the bitter cassava, and it never turns sour. It stays forever and ever.
We were talking about that sauce.
Yes,
That is
exactly.
made as an ingredient
Yes,
for other food, for soup.
exactly.
You know, they call it dumari.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dumari, Dumari.
Dumai.
Yeah, dumari.
Dumari.
I heard that.
Sounds
Dumari
amazing.
is a sauce made out of the juice of the bitter cassava,
Yes,
and it's yellow.
yes.
Yeah, this dumari makes this ingredient gives a different taste to the food when you're cooking with it.
Yes, and we call when in Sandy we call that juice when you squeeze the cassava, we call it tumale water,
Okay,
and
you see?
which is very similar to that.
No, it's the same.
Yeah,
This is now it has
Tumale.
an English tone to it.
yes.
You know, so you call it tumale. How do you spell that?
TUM tumal MAL
Tumale water, right?
That's the water after you squeeze
Yeah.
the cassava.
So today
Yes.
in Yurume, this is how they call it.
Yeah.
Tumale.
Yes.
Now look at it.
Very similar.
Tumale
Uma.
and dumari.
Ah. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. When we left, the Garifuna people started speaking English.
Yeah.
You know,
Right.
but they didn't have a name for that. Definitely,
Yeah.
right?
That's true.
So they kept the name Dumari,
Yeah.
Tumale.
Exactly. Very, very
Same
similar.
name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Just like the name of that town.
Oh yeah.
How do you spell it?
OWIA.
O-W-I-A.
Oh yeah.
IA, not E. A.
You see, this is A in Spanish.
Binado, binado.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh yeah. That
And
is.
you never find the meaning of this word.
I've searched, but I know understand the meaning now. The place where we die.
Yeah.
Owina.
Yeah. Owe, yeah. In Garifuna, Owe, yeah.
Aha.
Meaning, and there is a history, right, of battle
Yeah. Oh yes.
area.
There was a
blood,
fish. Yeah,
blood
exactly.
mountain,
Oh, wait.
Exactly. They call it the Bloody Ridge.
Bloody Ridge, right?
That's where it's the place called Bloody Ridge.
Okay.
Bloody red.
Bloody Ridge.
This means to die here.
Yeah.
Owe ya.
Uh-huh.
Wait.
To die here.
Uh-huh.
So somebody must have said something,
Yeah.
you know, and then it became the name of the place.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah,
We
fascinating.
discovered that in this class, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Excellent.
We gotta tell the Prime Minister what that name
Oh,
means.
yeah. Exactly. Exactly.
Okay. So we're gonna continue now with good. ECNE. I like. How do you call the cassava bread?
Ereba.
Yereba.
Ereba.
Vicente Yereba.
Ereba, to me, I like the cassava.
No.
No. Correct.
Oh, is it Ereba? No. Oh.
Okay? He said the Ereba no. Okay, what if you like the cassava? How will you say?
Nisi.
No. You. The second.
Nisi.
He
Biseti.
said the
Ereba,
Ereba
Boom.
boom. Okay? He said the Ereba boom. You like the cassava. You like the cassava bread. What about he likes cassava bread? He likes cassava bread.
Le sienti.
No. He siente,
Balloon.
he siente, eleva,
Loon.
loom. Okay? Now let's move on before Mingo gets here. He's already there. And then yes, I like the cassava. Ito ba baliyan
Yeah. He said.
Let's ask this a question. Let's ask this. He siente, eleva, loom.
Yeah.
Do you like cassava?
Aye.
I.
Yeah.
He's in the Ereba.
Okay. Aí,
Nisi.
aí, ó, aí,
Aye. Nisi Ereba no.
aí. He said tira babu Ronnie.
Nisi.
No, you have to answer first. He said tira babu.
Aye. Nisi.
Aye.
Aye.
Okay. Now complete the answer. Aye.
Aye. Nisi.
No. He said
He said
ereba no.
Nisi Ereba no.
That's the same answer. It's a statement, it's a question,
Oh,
and it's
okay.
an answer.
Why don't we have-
Michelle, he said tira babu. He said tira babu.
Hisienti, Reba, Nu. Agi,
Aí.
Hisienti.
He said ereba no. Francis, he said ereba no.
Yeah. He said to the red ball. Loon.
Okay. Kaum, to whom?
Loon.
Gustavo.
See.
Aye. Aye. He said ereba no.
Gustavo.
Gustavo.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Got it.
So you can
Now,
say
how do you
Lisi.
make a statement that Gustavo likes cassava? The cassava bread.
Lisi Ereba.
He's
No.
Gustavo.
No. You don't apply the marking
Right. There.
at the beginning here.
Yeah.
Okay? It's hisienti.
Lisi. Ah.
Okay? Hisienti ereba lum
Gustavo.
Lucia Gill. Through Dr. Gill. Okay?
He's in the Ereba. Tomb.
Okay.
He said I've been
Now Del, Ronnie likes cassava. Garifuna.
Okay. ECNT, Ereba,
Okay.
Loon, Ronnie.
This is the Ereba Loom Ronnie, right?
Ronnie.
R-O-N-E, N-I?
Yeah. And why?
Okay. This is the Ereba Loom Ronnie. Now you already have a sentence, right?
Yeah.
Good. And Dr. Gill likes the cassava, the cassava bread. That's gonna be for Nikki. Hisianti,
Ereba, Lum, Sarusia Gil.
Ereba, Lum, Sulusia,
Gil.
one L, right?
Yeah.
2 L's.
Two L's.
Make it jazz.
Remove the L. I always borrow that L. Okay. Hisianti, Ereba, Lum, Sulusia, Gil. Now, Francis, Dr. Gil doesn't like the cassava, right?
Nisi and Reba, no.
Okay. Mi sienti. Mi sienti is what makes the difference.
No, me,
Not the M. Okay?
don't like.
He sienti, he likes. It's likable. Mi sienti is not likable.
No.
He doesn't like it, right? Okay. So mi sienti, Ereba, Lum, Sulusia, Gil. Remember, what makes it, how do you know that Sulusia, Gil, is a masculine
Lum.
gender?
Loon.
Lum, right? Lum describes the gender of the subject.
Loon.
Is that okay? Okay. What if we change this Lum to say Dr. Gill doesn't like the cassava bread, but we're referring to a female Dr. Gill? How will you do that? What will you say there?
Oh.
Oh, Dr. Gill, say it please.
He siente